Okay, we're gonna go on a drive. And then the car has front lift, so it makes it really nice to go through steeper drives like this without scraping. Alright guys, this thing is wicked. Full body PPF. Every square inch of this car is fully protected by paint protection film. All the carbon, headlights, roof, side skirts, doors, rear bumper, all of it is 100% full body PPF wrap. Okay, when we look at the carbon here, all of this is perfect. And of course, if we get way underneath, you're going to see a little bit of rash there. Make our way here in the middle. You have a little rash underneath, way far under there. And then right here on that edge, this has PPF on it. And so you're going to see a little bit of abrasions and then the rash underneath. But you can't see any of that from a foot away. I'm not seeing any rock impacts, chips, or anything that stand out. This thing is near perfect. I went down the fenders, doors, mirrors. I don't see any scuffs, scratches, chips. These wheels are perfect. I don't see any curb rash anywhere. The door edge is perfect. There's no chips there. And the PPF on here, they did a phenomenal job. These edges look really good. Very clean job. This wheel's perfect. There's no curb rash on any of these wheels. I'm gonna spin it around to that back side. If you get inches away on all this, you're not gonna find any flaws. It is super, super clean. So coming here on the underside of the car, on this plastic piece, you do have a little rash right there. And that is it. So the carbon itself is perfect. It's just those plastic sections. And it's that left one. Like I said, you cannot see that even from right here. You gotta get way under there. So this car is near perfect. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. You have a little gash right there on that plastic. Button looks perfect here. That lower section looks amazing. This is super clean. That bolster looks awesome. That looks good as well. Seats look amazing. Steering wheel looks perfect. There's really not much to pick apart in this car. Everything else looks amazing. Looking at this door panel, I don't see any imperfections. Kick plate area looks really good. Seat bolster is nice and clean. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. The rest of that seat looks awesome. Upper side of the dash looks perfect. Now here on this cup holder, you see a little bit of wear on the edges from putting the cups in there. But other than that, this side looks perfect.